Number 9. Positive classroom atmosphere. Students need a safe and supportive learning environment, especially when learning a foreign language. As their teacher, it's your responsibility to create a positive climate in which they can learn, practice, and flourish without fear. While you need to draw attention to certain language errors, you can't be too critical or judgmental. Under no circumstances should you have an ironic or discouraging tone. A positive classroom environment is one in which students feel comfortable sharing their thoughts, taking risks, asking questions, and confronting challenges in their learning. An educator can create this type of environment by presenting clear classroom expectations, providing opportunities to improve social skills, building relationships with their students, and offering relevant content. In this type of classroom setting, students feel as though educators value their input. From here, students can become more active participants in the learning process, which makes for a more productive learning environment. Build rapport by greeting students by their names and taking time to interact with each one individually. I like to ask students a question about their lives when they enter class. That gets them to open up and shows them that I care. It breaks the ice as they start speaking sooner rather than later. Hi, how are you today? What did you do yesterday? Anything special happening this week? Have high but realistic academic expectations for all students. Establish clear and consistent behavioral expectations. Encourage collaboration because it can lead to more engaging classes. Establish routine. A lot of children thrive on having a dependable daily routine in some aspect of their lives. Knowing what to expect when they walk into your classroom can create a sense of normalcy for students. Set rules and expectations. Provide guidelines such as classroom rules and expectations is an important way to let students know what behavior is acceptable. Reframe mistakes as learning opportunities. Mistakes are teachable moments and can help students learn how to cope with future mistakes and failures and feel more comfortable taking risks. Use humor. Humor helps students feel comfortable and at ease in the classroom. However, make sure you keep the mood positive and avoid sarcasm. Help students access the support they need. Students should feel free to ask you questions about the content or activities. A positive classroom environment is one where students are able to express their feelings. Encourage students to let you know if they or their peers are feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Help them learn to ask for what they need.